two opportunities. We have opportunities in our day schools, making sure that we have opportunities to go to secondary school as near as possible to communities. And day schools play a very significant role in making sure there is access to education, especially for parents in different places, in different villages in Kenya. We also know that we can expand opportunities in legacy institutions like Nairobi School and build on the great tradition that has been built over many years in these institutions. It is my suggestion to the Ministry of Education that institutions like Nairobi School should be able to take in more students so that more Kenyans can benefit from the tradition and legacy that has been built over many years from this great institution. And to be able to do so, we need to expand infrastructure. Therefore, I have consulted with the Ministry of Education. The government of Kenya is going to make available 100 million shillings to expand the infrastructure in this school. I know that will go a long way, at least in completing the science lab and in doing the, you said in doing the what? One appears? In doing the multi-purpose hall. But because